Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm your host Akanksha Mishra. So let's start with today's session. When people talk about the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs, they often sound like something meant only for governments, the United Nations or global conferences. Many of us feel that these goals are too big, too distant and have nothing to do with our personal lives. But let me ask you a simple question. Why do some people earn better salaries than others? Why do healthcare costs keep rising? Why do some cities feel clean, safe and organized while others struggle with pollution, traffic and poor services? The answers to these questions are deeply connected to the SDGs. SDGs quietly influence the kind of jobs available in the market, the skills that are valued, the quality of hospitals and schools, the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the lifestyle we live. Whether you notice it or not, SDGs are already shaping your income, health, and daily comfort. In today's lecture, we will break this idea step by step in every simple language. We will understand how global development goals translate into real-life outcomes like better salaries, stronger job security, healthier lives, lower living costs, and improved lifestyles. This session is not about memorizing goals or policies. It is about understanding how your personal future is linked to sustainable development. Once you see this connection clearly, you will never look at SDGs as distant or irrelevant again. Let us begin by understanding how these goals directly affect you. Now, what are SDGs and why they matter to you? The Sustainable Development Goals are 17 global goals adopted by all UN member countries to be achieved by 2030. They aim to reduce poverty, improve health and education, protect the environment, and ensure economic growth for all. But SDGs are not just about helping poor countries or future generations. They directly influence job markets, salaries, healthcare systems, housing quality, food prices, transport systems, and digital access. Every government budget, corporate policy, startup innovation, and international investment today is increasingly aligned with SDGs. That means your personal opportunities are connected to global progress. Now, how SDGs affect your salary? Your salary is not decided only by your skills or hard work. It is deeply influenced by economic systems, labor laws, education quality, industrial growth, and technological change. Areas directly linked to SDGs. SDG 8 focuses on decent work and economic growth. When countries invest in skill development, formal employment, worker protection, and entrepreneurship, wages rise and job stability improves. Strong labor standards reduce exploitation and increase bargaining power for workers. Green jobs created under SDG 7, Clean Energy, and SDG 13, Climate Action, are already transforming job markets. Renewable energy engineers, sustainability managers, ESG analysts, waste management experts, and climate consultants earn higher than faster than supply. Education under SDG 4 directly determines earning potential. Countries that invest in quality education, digital skills, and lifelong learning create a workforce capable of higher productivity and better pay. Gender equality under SDG 5 affects salary fairness. When women receive equal pay and career opportunities, household incomes increase. Poverty reduces and economic growth accelerates. Simply put, countries that progress on SDGs create better paying jobs, while those that lack face unemployment, informal work, and stagnant wages. Now, SDGs and job security. Job security depends on how resilient an economy is to shocks like pandemics, climate disasters, and financial crises. SDGs build economic resilience. SDG 9 promotes a strong infrastructure and innovation, which protects industries during disruptions. SDG 1 and SDG 10 support social protection systems like unemployment benefits and insurance, preventing sudden income collapse. Countries that invest in SDGs recover faster, from crisis, protecting jobs and businesses. Where SDGs are ignored, layoffs, wage cuts, and informal work increase sharply. How SDGs affect your health? Health is not just about hospitals. It is shaped by air quality, water safety, nutrition, sanitation, mental well-being, and healthcare access, all covered by SDGs. SDG 3 focuses on good health and well-being. When countries strengthen public healthcare, vaccination systems, disease prevention, and mental health support, people live longer and healthier lives. Clean water and sanitation under SDG 6 prevent diseases like diarrhea, cholera, and typhoid. Clean energy under SDG 7 reduces air pollution, lowering cases of asthma, heart diseases, and lung cancer. SDG 11 improves urban planning, reducing traffic stress, accidents, and noise pollution. SDG 13 protects communities from climate-related health risks like heat waves, floods, and food shortages. Better SDG performance means lower medical expenses, fewer sick days, higher productivity, and better quality of life. Now, mental health and SDGs. Mental health is often ignored, but SDGs address its root causes. Poverty, inequality, unemployment, unsafe cities, and environmental stress increase anxiety and depression. By reducing inequality, SDG 10, improving work conditions, SDG 8, strengthening communities, SDG 11, and ensuring social protection, SDG 1. SDGs indirectly improve mental well-being. A stable job, safe environment, affordable healthcare, and social security create peace of mind, something money alone cannot buy. Now let's discuss how SDGs shape your daily lifestyle. Your lifestyle, how you travel, eat, communicate, and consume, is shaped by development choices. SDG 11 improves public transport, walkable cities, green spaces, and affordable housing. This saves time, reduces stress, and improves health. SDG 12 promotes responsible consumption, influencing food safety standards, product quality, waste reduction, and recycling systems. SDG 7 reduces electricity cost through renewable energy and increases energy reliability. SDG 9 improves digital connectivity, enabling remote work, online education, and e-commerce. SDG 2 improves food security and nutrition, reducing health risk linked to poor diets. In short, SDGs design the environment in which your lifestyle operates. Now, SDGs, cost of living and savings. Strong SDG policies reduce long-term living cost. Preventive healthcare is cheaper than emergency treatment. Renewable energy reduces fuel dependency. Efficient public transport cuts transport expenses. Social protection reduces the need for emergency borrowing. Sustainable cities lower infrastructure repair costs after disasters. Ignoring SDGs leads to rising healthcare costs, climate damage, inflation, and economic instability, directly affecting household budgets. Now, SDGs and future opportunities. Young people's futures are deeply connected to SDGs. Careers of tomorrow will revolve around sustainability, technology, healthcare, education, climate resilience, and social innovation. Countries aligned with SDGs attract international investment, global companies, and innovation hubs. Individuals in these economies enjoy better career growth, mobility, and income stability. SDGs do not limit growth. They redefine it in a smarter, safer, and more inclusive way. Why SDGs are personal, not political? SDGs are often misunderstood as political agendas. In reality, they are life quality frameworks. They answer basic questions. Will my income grow? Will my children be healthy? Will my city be livable? Will my future be secure? Every SDG achieved improves personal freedom, opportunity, and dignity. As we conclude this lecture, remember one simple truth. SDGs are not distant global goals. They are personal life goals. They decide how much you earn, how healthy you remain, how safe your surroundings are, and how comfortable your lifestyle becomes. The future of work, health, and living standards is inseparable from sustainable development. When countries invest in SDGs, people prosper. When they ignore them, individuals pay the price through lower salaries, poor health, and unstable lifestyles. The future is not shaped only by governments or global institutions. It is shaped by awareness, choices, and collective responsibility. Understanding SDGs means understanding your own future. Thank you for being part of this important discussion. I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV for more such informative insights.